Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at the SereneLife portable toilet. So guys, if you're out camping, fishing, hiking, if you're on a construction site and you do not have facilities, you're going to need something like this. And this is a heavy duty system. It's actually built for adults. It'll hold up to 330 pounds. It's made out of a polyurethane type material, extremely durable and cleanable. It has two tanks on it. The very bottom tank down here is for your waste tank. That's going to hold up to 5 gallons of waste. The top tank, which you're going to fill up right here through this little opening, that is going to be your freshwater tank. And it's going to hold 3 gallons. So it holds quite a bit. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pull you down here close so that you can kind of see how this thing actually operates. Because if you're wanting to buy one of these, you really want to know how it works. So let's take a close look. So how this thing works, first thing I'm going to do is show you how you take it off. You have a latch here, undo it, pull it up, rotate it to the other side, and do the same thing. And these latches are very heavy duty. Once you have that done, you will actually lift these up and you can take this off. And you have a handle here that you can move it around with. You can take it to a water supply now and fill it up and have it ready to go. This also has a handle right here at the bottom, and this is where the spout will turn out, where you can dump it out there as well. And this is going to be your lever for flushing right here. It's easier to show you guys this here now. It has an indicator that you can see with the unit on the top. It's all green, meaning it's empty right now, but as it fills, this will start turning red. Now to put it back, I'm going to do the opposite of what I did to take it off. We are going to take and set it in place. Get it lined up right where it's setting. And then we just simply attach. Go back over here, do the same thing, attach. Now we are connected. Now to use this, first of all, you have a lid and you have a toilet seat. And by the way, they're all very easy to clean. It gives you instructions back here in case you do not remember how to operate it. You can follow the instructions. But the first thing I would do before I use it is I would go ahead and pump a little water in there. Just like that. I'd pick several, get it full. Now when you use it, it actually has water, so it does not create a huge mess. Now when you get ready to flush, all you are going to do is reach down here with this lever, and you're going to pull the lever. Now watch what happens when I pull it. You'll see it flush in the center. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it is extremely durable, extremely easy to clean, and extremely portable. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you on the next one.